Here's how to clear Nvidia shader cache. First, right-click an empty area of your desktop. Select Show More Options. Then open Nvidia Control Panel. From the menu on the left, click Manage 3D Settings. Scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. Then open the drop-down menu. Set the option to Disabled. After changing it, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Apply. The next step is important. Restart your computer so the changes can take effect. Once your computer has restarted, open the Start menu and search for Run. Open the Run application. In the text field, enter % local app data % and press OK. This will open the local app data folder. Scroll through the folder until you find Nvidia, then open it. Next, open the GL cache folder. Select all the files and folders inside this location, then click the trash icon to remove them. After clearing the GL cache folder, click App Data in the address bar at the top. Open Local Low, then find and open the Nvidia folder. Look for a folder named DX Cache and open it. If you find any files inside, select everything and delete them. If the folder is already empty, you can simply move on to the next step. Close File Explorer and open the Start menu again. Search for Disk Cleanup and launch the tool. Select your C drive and click OK. You'll then see a list of files that can be removed. Find DirectX Shader Cache and make sure the checkbox next to it is selected. Then click OK and choose Delete Files to confirm. After the cache has been cleared, right-click an empty area of your desktop again. Select Show More Options and open Nvidia Control Panel. Return to Manage 3D Settings and scroll down to Shader Cache Size. Open the drop-down menu and change the setting back to driver default. Finally, scroll down and click Apply to save the changes. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.